Hello and welcome. For King Canada Tools, I'm Gord Graff. King Canada's extensive line of sanding machinery now includes the heavy-duty King Industrial KC-790FX and the KC-790FX-DC, 6-inch by 48-inch belt and 12-inch disc combination sanding machines. These robust feature-packed models are work-all-day machines, and the innovative KC-790FX-DC has the added feature of an efficient built-in dust collector. This truly is a standalone sanding and dust collection system in one machine with no need for an external dust collector. The KC-790FX and the KC-790FX-DC share these same great features. A powerful 1.5 horsepower 110 220 volt motor pre-wired for 220 volts. An innovative two-step activation safety switch with line voltage interruption in case of power failure. Heavy-duty cast iron tilting tables that easily tilt up to 45 degrees for compound sanding. The standard size 6-inch by 48-inch sanding belt has a speed of 2250 surface feet per minute, and the 1750 RPM speed of the 12-inch sanding disc makes stock removal fast and efficient. The 12-inch disc is made of cast iron for durability and no deflection due to heat. An easy-to-operate quick-release lever facilitates rapid belt replacement. A graphite-covered belt platen that reduces belt friction and increases belt life. A sanding belt that conveniently operates vertically, horizontally, or at any set angle in between. Belt and disc safety guards for operator safety. A sturdy steel enclosed cabinet, conveniently located on and off switch and overload reset button. Both sanders come equipped with aluminum miter gauge, cast iron work stop, T-slot center point, enclosed stand, and adjustment hex keys. When hooked up to an external dust collection system, the KC-790FX's 4-inch dust chute and hose facilitate efficient dust removal. Power, versatility, efficient stock removal, and dust collection are all synonymous with the King Industrial KC-790FX-DC. Equipped with a switch-operated 1/4 horsepower built-in dust collector in the fully enclosed cabinet, this system easily handles dust extraction from the sanding belt or the sanding disc. To turn on the dust collector, a conveniently located on and off safety switch with removable key is located on the sander's dashboard. Simply pull it upwards to turn it on and push it downwards to turn it off. When the 2-micron dust bag needs to be empty, simply loosen the wire clamp, empty the bag of its contents, lightly tap it to dislodge any buildup of debris and reinstall the bag and wire clamp. It's that quick and simple. No need for an external dust collector with the KC-790FX-DC. It truly is a standalone, work-all-day complete sanding system. To find out more about these and other King Canada products, visit a King Canada dealer today or the King Canada website at kingcanada.com.